Hi, this is Steve Grogan. I'm the guy that gets microwaved to death every day. It's gotten really, really bad lately. This is a microwave detector right here. It's also called the v2k mic. That's what I call it, where I show how to build it. Please check it out. I'm going to demonstrate the effectiveness of it. I'm going to turn the amplifier on. Okay. This is a battery right here that charges stuff. Okay, I put the headphones on the phone where you can hear it because it seems to work best that way. Camera. Let me turn it around. This end should be where the coil's at, like this. This should be used to check electronics and for radio waves. This end right here, the magnet's at, is used for voice. Like this. Hello, hello, hello. Okay.